Welcome to the Pikes Peak Library District's Law Collection Guide for using Gale legal forms. The intent of this guide is to provide legal information. It does not constitute legal advice. Pikes Peak Library District subscribes to the database Gale Legal Forms. This database provides access to thousands of customizable online legal documents that are designed for Colorado residents. You will also find a legal dictionary and several articles that explain legal topics. To begin, start at the Pikes Peak Library District's website, ppld.org. Along the top, you'll see several green words. Click on Research in the top left. Then, once you're on that page, scroll down in the alphabetical list and find the Guide for Law and Legal Resources. Once you are on that page, look to the left. You'll see a bunch of blue boxes. Click on the one that says Legal Databases. Then, once you're on the database page, Legal Forms is the top database, and click on its title. At this point, if you're trying to access the database from outside of a library location, you will need to enter your library card number and PIN. If you do not have a library card, you can always come into any of our locations and use the database there. Once you're in the database, you will see that you can search along the top. You can also, if you scroll down, you can browse the categories in alphabetical order, or you can go through and see most of the main categories listed in the center there, or the popular categories listed on the left. On the top left, that's where you'll find the legal dictionary, as well as some of those articles that explain legal topics in more depth. Let's go ahead and run a search. And I'm going to search for power of attorney forms. So I will enter my terms here in the search bar, and then I'll click on search. Once I get into the list, you'll see that it's organized by the categories that the forms fall under. You can see there's a lot of different types of forms that are available just from this one search. I'm going to click on one to open it, and then when you're in the record, you'll see you can download the form here under Download, and it's available as Microsoft Word or Rich Text or RTF. This is just a file type that can be read by most word processing programs. Some forms will also have samples available, which will show you what the form looks like all filled out. Let's go ahead and open up the Microsoft Word copy. When the form opens, the file will be downloaded to the bottom of your screen. So find it at the bottom and double click on it there to open the form. Then it'll go ahead and it'll take a minute, but it'll open up in the word processing program or a copy of Microsoft Word that's on your computer. Now I'm in the form and I could actually start editing it where those gray boxes are. Thank you for watching. We hope this has been helpful.